Māori Pasifika Trades Training Scholarship is a scholarship that we offer Pasifika and Māori students if they're interested in a trade. Carpentry, plumbing and gasfitting, painting, decorating, engineering, automotive, hairdressing.
And being a student on a student allowance and working part-time, got rent to pay, having them to pay for my courses is a big help and took a lot of weight off my shoulders.
It just gives me that good feeling that I have the skills and the basic knowledge to build a house.
I love doing hairdressing. I've been wanting to do it since I was little.
Really, I would like to open up my own performance car shop, come and do your car up.
It helps provide the opportunity to get their licence, whether it's a learner's restricted or full driver's licence. It also means that you get strong pastoral care and support. So as you're studying here and making sure that you've got someone walk alongside you while you're studying.
It helps out a lot. Like, there's things where they can help you. Like if you need the help, they can help you there.
I'm very passionate about watching and looking after our Pacific students.
They get their study and then at the end of it we have a job broker that works here who then goes out and seeks and finds employment for them as well.
Good environment to be in. It's like a family-based environment.
The people around me that are in my class, they're just probably the best people I've ever met.
And yeah, it's just really enjoyable. I recommend it to those who want to take a trade in WelTec. Tutors are friendly, students are kind, staff are awesome, and they just help you alongside whenever you're stuck, and they always offer their services whenever you need them, and it's a good facility.